Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today my best friend here, Taco aka Scarlett, is going to be doing my makeup for the first time. So let's see what she does to me.
I'm scared.
Always scared.
Alright, we're gonna start with this primer because, I don't know, because I don't like have pores.
How?
Don't see any.
Guys, I don't have pores. Maybe they're just really small. Can you see your pores?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe that's why I've always wondered what people are talking about.
Alrighty then.
I'm like, I don't see anything. Are they bad anywhere? Mm-hmm. That makes me so happy.
Congratulations, you have no pores.
You have no way of having your skin breathe. It also could be because you're blind.
I am blind.
So who knows, I might have pores, you just can't see.
I can see up close.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna take this E.L.F. foundation.
Is it good?
Yeah, use it.
On your face?
Not this color.
Is it too dark or too light for you?
It's too pink.
That works for me then.
I got some.
She likes to cake a bunch of foundation on my face. If you see her hand.
Don't look at my hand. I'm just putting in this white mixer because she is pale.
She's putting in the Manic Panic white stuff.
It's the white stuff.
Dreamtone into this foundation.
I think you're lighter than this.
Maybe.
Your cheek is so warm. Right, now we're gonna take this
It's gonna be messy.
We're just gonna smack it into your face.
She's smacking it in. Does it look good?
Mm-hmm. It matches. I don't know if it oxidizes though.
I might not match in a little. I know my lips are like the Sahara Desert. Let me tell you, living in Colorado, my lips hate it here. No matter how much chapstick I wear, they stay like this. I even use lip scrubs and they stay like this. So I don't know what to do. So if you guys have super dry, chapped lips and like you have something that works, let me know. Because I need it. Really bad. I have no pores, but I have super chapped lips.
Can't be perfect. I think I'd rather have chapped lips than pores.
Yeah, I would too, but not perfect. Far from it.
This might be
Too dark now?
too dark, but you know, that's okay.
I'm getting a tan.
I don't understand how you like get around your nose.
I don't use that side of the sponge. I use the middle. We went over this.
She uses this part.
I use this part in here. Yeah. It gets in little spots.
That's
So
what
yeah.
the tip is for. Just the tip.
Well, then I use just the tip for my whole face.
That's what she said.
She likes to comb my eyelashes too.
Now we're gonna do...
What?
I don't have your powder either.
You're not getting any powder.
There's leftover. There's leftover on this brush. So we're just gonna... We don't want you to be matte anyway.
Athena, get off of the bag.
We're gonna have a slight intermission here.
Because my cat.
Athena, my napkin for my
Is she
hand.
eating foundation? Honey, stop trying to eat everything.
Now we're gonna do your brows. You just like don't even need this.
Yeah, I do. No. There's one day I was at her house and
It's
I'm
her fault.
a licensed cosmetologist, so I can do these
Not
things.
at the time.
I was actually.
Oh, you're talking
And-
about the time
Yeah. And no joke, she's like, I'm gonna wax my eyebrows, okay? And I was like, do you want me to help you with that? She's like, no, I can do it myself. And I was like, alright. She literally waxed off half of her eyebrow.
Yep.
And I was like, see,
If I can find a picture, I'll insert it.
this is why I wanted to help you. And I think you stopped waxing your eyebrows after that.
I sure did.
Are you using actual concealer?
Mm-hmm. I only use one
For concealer?
to fix your eyebrows.
Oh.
I think most people use concealer, but I was listening. I was watching Kylie do her makeup one time,
Mm-hmm.
and she said Mario told her to do concealer under the brow and foundation above it, and which is a super good tip, but I just ended up always doing foundation anyway.
For both.
Yeah.
And just in case you guys are wondering, we have been friends for 12 years so far.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
That's so exciting. Look at Calypso.
We need I think I might use this as your
Guratama.
Guratama. Just kidding. Alright, let's just fix that. Let's bounce over that real quick. We're not contouring.
We have WrestleMania going on here with cats. WWE Cat Edition is happening on my floor. Now you're cleaning her feet. How nice. He's like, let me clean your toes. And now let me smell your butt. Because that's what cats do. And she's like, oh, no.
Oh!
WWE Cat Edition.
Oh! And they're off.
Bye.
Alrighty then. Those are the cats. Okay. Alright, we're not going to contour, so what do we do next? Let's do blush. And we're going to take this Tarte because Makayla likes to go crazy.
And Tarte doesn't show that much.
Blush, so we're just
But-
going to tone it down a little bit.
Like, way a bit. We're going to go from 10 to 2.
I'm going to open my Guratama little palette that she got me for Christmas. Oh, I love it.
I know, she's
It's so cute.
It is cute.
She told me I have to touch her if I'm going to touch her eye. That sounded weird.
I told her when you do someone else's makeup, you need to put your hand on like their shoulder or like their head before you start putting makeup on them, so they know, like the warning, like, I'm gonna put makeup on you.
And then I'm going to take this whack color, which is Penny.
How do I look, guys?
Beautiful. Obvious. And then I'm just going to take, what is this for?
Blending. It says blending brush on it.
I can read. And I'm going to take Burgundy and put it in this crack, please.
In this crack crease. You're dabbing it in.
I'm going to take some foundation that's left over.
And do what?
Put on your eye. Stop shaking your balls.
I'm not.
I don't know what I'm doing, so don't ask. Beautiful.
She doesn't know what she's doing. That's so exciting, isn't it? The
Alright.
things you want to hear when people are doing your makeup. I don't know.
I don't know what I'm doing.
And oops.
I say that a lot.
Oh my gosh,
Whoops.
what happened to that?
What? It came like this. I know. I have this lime crime Superfoil, and
It is so broken.
the electric side came broken, so.
What are you?
Lots of sparkles. I'm gonna go back with this whack brush I got off Amazon years ago. And just blend.
I hate it. Hate what?
Your eye. And then it comes out.
Oh.
Well, it like moves. She's like, and then I can see her eye.
My eyeball moving under my eyelid.
It creeps me out. Okay, alright. I'm gonna use this diamond dust. Put some more sparkle. Only a little bit. Don't open.
AKA half my eye.
Open, don't open. Okay, we're gonna go in with my favorite part. no brow bone.
AKA highlight.
We highlight in the brow bone. Alright, and then we'll put this white shade in the corners. Are you going to the club tonight? Because that's what we do. We actually get food, Taco Bell, Cane's, Wendy's, McDonald's, for different things. And then we go catch Pokemon.
On Pokemon Go. Because hello, who doesn't love that still?
And that's it, really.
And film, and edit, and color, and sometimes do photo shoots randomly.
Alright.
Just inhaled like a bunch of dust.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Oh my.
Did you super highlight me?
They're gonna see you from outer space, tip of the nose.
Like you don't contour, but you highlight everything.
You have to highlight. Alright, now we're gonna, did you put chapstick on?
Yeah.
Girl, so proud of her. What am I missing? Oh, lips.
You brought nothing for lips either?
I did,
But?
I have to grab it. She has to put on her mascara.
I'm just like,
Because
she will poke my eyes out.
I don't trust myself. And she doesn't trust me? Who can trust me? Nobody.
She's never done someone's makeup before. So,
I did my sister's eyeshadow.
Girl,
The Broncos game.
the same.
Yeah, it probably sucked. So. While she's doing that, look, I'm doing this basketball on my phone. Get out of my Kylie bag. This cat.
Cats love makeup. Who knew?
Then we're gonna put on some toothpaste. Oh boy.
Here. I have to breathe. Can you see that?
Don't look.
How do these look now?
Even worse. That's okay. Because I'm going to carve them out.
Before she carves.
You know, maybe that's just what they look like.
This is
Isn't it? Because I'm not laughing.
funny. Yes, you are.
Okay.
This is not red. It could be game over.
You look like you made out with some eye or something.
Do they have red lips?
No.
I was like, I thought
Made
they
out
were
with-
black. That clown. Clowns scare the crap out of me, by the way. This one time, I did a photo shoot, and I looked actually super crazy in it. So it was pretty funny. So I had like rhinestone eyebrows and rhinestone eyelids and like these crazy huge black and red pointy lips. I had like black swan kind of vibe in makeup, but a little more extreme than that. And my face was like pale, like I was dying, like washed out as white as you can be. And I'm driving home from a photo shoot, and literally I look over, and in the car next to me is this clown. I freaked out, and he's all like, "Oh hey girl," because we both looked insane. And I'm over here forgetting that I look like that. I'm like, oh my goodness, that clown likes me, I have to leave. And then I start driving away and I'm like, oh my gosh, I look crazy too. No wonder he was like, hey.
This is your favorite highlight, so we're gonna add more.
That's a lot.
I know.
We're gonna make it so you can see me past outer space. Wherever that may be. To infinity and beyond.
Where's that lip brush?
I think it's
you're
from me.
wearing this onesie with your
I do it all the
The
time.
flaps are out.
My flaps are out.
Alright, so now that I fixed her lips, kind of.
Still can't see. Okay.
Good. And then we're gonna spray you. Now she's all wet.
I just got a shower. My whole shirt is like cold. Hey, my hair's soaked. Not bad. Taco? My lips
Taco?
are a little whack, but that's it. Here, I'll show you.
She's gonna teach me.
I took this line here. You're gonna have it that big. kind of like really blend it out. Taco.
Choco.
Alright guys, Taco did really good for not doing makeup before. The only thing she kind of was a little crazy was my lips. But it's okay, we fixed those. So now they're good. They're just a little lopsided. But it's okay. It's hard when your lips are really pointy to make them perfect. Unless you're used to them, so. Yeah. Because it's not a normal lip shape to be this pointy. But yeah. Anyways.
Pointy.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, just let me know in the comment section. And thanks for coming on, Taco.
You're welcome.
And yeah, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. And we will see, or I will see you soon. Bye. Go blow a kiss. Bye. Except she goes, I'm throwing it at you.
I want them all to
Take
have
them
it.
all.
Take all the kisses.
Bye.
Alright.
Are we in focus still? Or is that too bright?
Let me look.
I feel like that's very bright.
Hold on.
We're having technical difficulties. And I'm just scratching in my boobs.